lined up that truly reflects the essence of Tamil culture. It is always heartwarming to see young talents embracing and showing our rich tradition.
Please join me in welcoming our talented little star Dikshita, who will now mesmerize us with a beautiful traditional Tamil song. Let us encourage her with a big round of applause as she takes the stage.
bomma tayya tayya nak din bhajan kare bomma tayya tayya nak din bhajan kare udamida nak dimit tam tum tay tay ganapati naam sada udamida nak dimit tam tum tay tay ganapati naam sada dimikrida dikrita tagira dana da odadan dimikrida dikrita tagira dana da odadan udamida nak dimit tam tum tay tay ganapati naam sada Make